Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got today a Stromberg Carlson model 53A11, known as the Airqueen, and yeah, 1953, and this thing is really in great condition. I mean, I'm not going to say showroom, but you know, geez, it comes close. Look at this on a shelf in the store, apart from the old white power cord there. But I really can't fault this at all. Anyway, let's get this opened and see what we're dealing with here. Nice and simple. Tell you what, damn hefty screws, look at that, just a whole little bit of bakelite on. I get the length. There we go. Okay, we'll leave it like that for now, but alright, it looks just like the the photo in on Radio Museum. Although again, you know, just look at the shine on that on the IF cans. Everything, it's great. All right, I'm going to get this out and let's play with it. Okay, here it is, and there's the case behind it, and speaker connected in there. I'll let the speaker go for now, and we can worry about that later. I'll just use my test speaker on this one. Anyway, again, really nice. Look at that. It's wow. Anyway, underneath, what do we got? Well, never been touched. You beauty. All right. I'm going to I know I normally swap it out. Sorry. I know I normally just give it some power. Hey, you know, again, might as well, and at least we can see if things are working as they should. All right, so just connected up my leads over to the main filter cap there, and little bit of power, and wait for my multimeter on the Variac to get ready, and here we go. So far, 100 volts on my end. Dial globe's on anyway, so, oh, here we go. Kicking in. And it probably works anyway. But it's not going to work without a speaker on it. But anyway. God, jumping the gun on these things. I'm going to swap the caps out, the main filter caps out, that one there, and the cap can up there, and then we'll attach a speaker, and then we'll power it up. And again, I'm hoping it works. Okay, we've got our caps in, and let's check this out. And I've got the speaker attached as well, so don't want to forget that. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and bit of power. Yep, come on. I'm at 100 volts, okay, bit more. This one's a slow one. No, here we go. That's better. Okay, a little bit more. Just being cautious. And that's pretty much not full power, but we got live. Cool. Nice. I'm not going to worry too much about the sound quality at this point, given that ratty old speaker of mine. But anyway, I was pretty sure this was going to work. I mean, given the condition of it, just being so well looked after, and obviously kept in a dry place, no humidity, no moisture, so everything is good. Everything. All right, I'm going to swap out a few caps, and I'm actually going to while I'm doing that, I'll have a look at the speaker in the case as well. But I'll be back very, very shortly. I'll do those 3 caps, and then we'll retest it. Well, I've changed out those 3 pulleys, there, and there, and let's have a listen to the sound quality. Again, you know, notwithstanding my crappy speaker.
When I was the protest early, they're going up to Parliament. They'll be up till about 2 o'clock. They'll inevit some disruption, but that's not their aim. James,
well,
hello. Oh, hi Neil.
A bit better. All right.
Scans and bank scans.
Turn that down. I'll do the what is it? Remaining 4, and hopefully that does clear it up. Otherwise, again, speaker or the output valve, or one of the valves is slightly distorting the sound, but we'll find out. Back soon. Well, I've changed those last 4 caps. Let's have a listen to it. Let's see if we've gotten rid of that distortion.
Apparently so. Thank you. Lots of people joining us this afternoon.
So.
1300 222 774 as we put together some charts that we... How are you? Well, about 15 years ago we had a ice block the size of a football going to Sunrise Drive in Diamond Creek, a house along there.
That's not bad. What I'm going to do, I'm going to swap out the amplifier valve, I think 6M5, and we'll see if that makes any improvement.
That was pretty scary.
Although, sounds okay. It is a teeny-weeny radio after all, so we're not going to get great sound out of it. But anyway, we'll give it a go. I'll swap out that 6M5, put another one in, and hopefully my replacement is not a dud. So let's just power up and see if there's any change. Always hoping, but again, you know, I'm not expecting too much from this radio. Here we go.
The Fair Work Ombudsman brought the action against Polytrade and its owners who operated major waste management facilities in Dandenong and Hallam. The court found 5 workers were underpaid almost $200,000 in penalties and loadings.
All right, cool. All right, I'm going to get this back in the case, and she's done. And we'll finish the video up. Back soon.
Climate miles below counting at times. Current temperature is 71 degrees.
The greater 3UZ.
Hello there, this is your Daddy-O on the radio, on the move and in the groove.
Now, coming down from the southeastern freeway, Alexander Avenue, Hunt Road, carrying traffic.
A big search is now underway for 3 Lento fishermen whose boat is capsized in heavy seas.
The greater 3UZ.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that ad. That was, I thought it was quite cool, especially showing Melbourne, the Melbourne CBD in the late 60s, early 70s, I suspect. And I remember those ambulances too. Anyway, job's all done, and I'll turn the light off. Again, go for that full effect of the dull globe. Bang! And I hope it works, because I've just packed it all up again and didn't test it. Thought we'll leave that for the video. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll get rid of that.
He's been fighting Adani, and the police have been coming in and removing them off country. So there's in that Human Rights Act, there is the right to what's the word? To practice culture
you don't know
for
what you're
Aboriginal and
saying,
Torres Strait
darling.
Islander people.
All right, job's done. The Stromberg Carlson Airqueen, it lives again, and like I said, it's a great little radio. So the owner's going to be very pleased with it, that's for sure. Thank you all for watching. I enjoyed doing this, and hope you enjoyed watching it. So thank you, and I will catch you all again very soon. Take care, everybody. Have fun. Stay safe. Bye.